Deep in the mountains in northwest China's Gansu province, Wudu district of Longnan City had long suffered from poverty. In the past, poor transportation and internet access restricted the sale of high-quality agricultural products in the mountains. As transportation conditions improve and 5G network coverage expands in recent years, e-commerce live streaming has brought villagers here fortune and hope. At present, there are 2,077 online shops in Wudu district, with accumulated sales of about 8.7 billion yuan since 2013.
直播间的各位家人朋友，大家好啊！今天呢，我们是在国家级金丝猴自然保护区原始森林里面在直播我身后的这个呢，就是咱们陇风堂七股牙蜜的这个养蜂现场。
以前我们这边网络不好，养殖的牙蜜因为山大沟深嘛，交通不便卖不出去。是去年的时间移动开通了5G 网络，我们经过直播带货，然后开了网店，就把我们的金丝牙蜜销往全国各地。也感谢5G 网络对我们山区的一些支持。5G 网络确实改变了我们的生活轨迹，也给予了我们更多的创业的机会，也改变了我们的生活方式。